WOJAK 1-day chart is bullish. We keep on breaking up, and as you can see, we hit my next target exactly as I predicted, around 120k units. So everyone wants to know the next targets. Today I'm gonna talk about the next targets to the upside and to the downside. Hello, welcome back to a new update. Today we're gonna talk about some different coins, and we are starting with WOJAK. We hit the upside target and if we will continue to pump, then I believe we can even hit 200k units. But if we will get rejected, then we should retest some of the support areas, which is around 45 to 50k units. MANEKI 4-hour chart is bullish. In the last 24 hours we are pumping, and I expect a big move in the next 72 hours. We are testing the local highs and we are trying to break this area. So if we will keep moving sideways, I believe we will retest some of the local support areas around this ascending support and the moving average. And if we will hold this area, then we should pump hard to my next targets. But if we will get rejected, then my first target is around 600 units. If we will continue to pump, then my first target is around 1.5 to 2k units. VELO 1-day chart is bullish. We broke the EMA after holding it for a while, and we should get a breakout in the next days. We are about to close the daily candle, and as you can see, we are still holding this range, and as long as we are in this range, I'm staying bullish, so we can continue to pump if we'll reclaim the moving average. But if we will get rejected, then my first target is around 1 cent, and if we will continue to pump, then my next target is around 4 to 5 cents. RNDR 1-day chart is bullish. We are back above the moving average and we are holding the moving average. We should get a breakout very soon. We are basically getting squeezed in this area. Full bounce from here, then I believe we will hit my upside targets. And if we'll get rejected, we have this ascending support. So as long as we are above this area, I'm staying bullish. If we will get rejected from here, my first target is around $5, which is below these lows. And if we will pump higher, then my first target is around $12, which we got very close to this target. AGIX 1-day chart is bullish. We formed this ascending triangle and we should get a big move in the next days, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. As you can see, this pattern is ending and we already tried to break up, but we are still pushing down. If we will get rejected from here, then my next support target is around 50 cents. And if we will continue to pump, then my next target is around 1.5 to $2. Turbo 1-day chart is bullish. We broke the highs and we can pump to my next target very soon. We are getting an impulsive pump. We already hit all of my previous targets. But if we'll get rejected, my first support target is around this range, which is 80 to 100k units. And if we will manage to pump from here, then my first target is around 400 to 500k units. Ethereum 1 week chart is bullish. In the last days we are pumping. After we held the EMA and we got a big move as expected. I told you that we were getting squeezed between resistance and support, and finally in the last days we started to pump. So Ethereum looks very bullish right now, but we are still facing this resistance zone. If we'll get rejected, then my next support target is around 2,500 units. But if we'll manage to pump from here, then we should retest the highs around 4.5 to 5k units. BTC 1 week chart is bullish. We held the support and we pumped again. If we'll break the highs, we can hit my next targets. So we are ranging above these local highs, the all-time highs, and we should get a big move very soon. As long as we are above the moving average, we are still very bullish. We might get another retest in the next weeks, but I'm waiting for a big move. If we'll break down from here, then my first target is around 45 to 55k dollars. That is the next support area. But if we'll manage to hold the support and break up, then the next target is around 85 to 100k dollars. NPC 1-day chart is bullish. In the last days we are pumping hard, but we should get a correction soon. We are about to close the daily candle and we might get a correction to retest some of the support areas. So if we'll get rejected, my first support target is around 7k units, which is around this pattern that we broke. But if we will manage to pump, then my next target is around 14 to 15k units. ETH FI 4-hour chart is bullish. In the last days we are pumping. If we break the highs, we can hit my target. As you can see, we are trying to break these local highs. We are more bullish right now, so it's very much possible. But if we'll get rejected, then my next support target is around 2.5 to $3. And if we'll manage to pump, then my first target is around 6.5 to $8.5. And that's it for this episode. I'm gonna make a part 2, so you should tune in and watch it. Of course, I'm going to keep updating you with these crypto infos, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.